In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Microsoft Outlook groups. If you send emails to the same set of people regularly, a contact group, sometimes called a distribution list, can save you a lot of time. You'll set it up once, give it a clear name, add the right people, and then you're ready to use it whenever you need. Start by opening Classic Outlook on your computer. We're working in the desktop version because it has the contact group feature built right into it. Once Outlook is open, switch to the People or Contacts view. You can do this by selecting the People icon, often found at the bottom of the navigation pane. This view focuses on your contacts and is the place where groups live. On the Home tab in the ribbon, click New Contact Group. This opens a new window dedicated to building your group. Before you add anyone, give your group a meaningful name. Choose something descriptive so you can quickly identify it later, like a project name or team function. Clear names reduce confusion, especially if you end up creating several groups. Next, click Add Members. You'll see options to pull people from your Outlook contacts or your organization's address book. Outlook contacts refers to the people you've saved in your personal contacts list. Address book typically points to your organization's directory, which is helpful for finding coworkers. Pick the source that makes sense for who you're adding. A selection window will open. Use the search box to find people, and then select them. To add multiple people at once, hold the Control key on Windows while clicking each name. If you're on a Mac keyboard, the Command key serves the same purpose. After you've selected everyone you want, click Add, and then click OK to return to your group window. You'll see all chosen members listed, which makes it easy to double-check spelling and make sure no one's missing. When everything looks right, click Save Close. That's it. Your contact group is now created and stored in your People or Contacts view. From here on, you won't need to add each person individually when you reach out. The group bundles them together so you can communicate efficiently. If you ever need to make adjustments later, you can find the group in your contacts, open it, add or remove members, and save again. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.